The Mahindra Bolero 2026 was spide testing for the first time, and it's going to get the Yeti Defender's styling. As you know, it is Mahindra's best-selling SUV, and they're totally redesigning it to look like the modern version. It's going to get an debut with the Mahindra's NFA, that is the new flexible architecture with a monocoque multi-engine platform that supports ICE, hybrid, and electric powertrain. It's going to look like from the Mini G-Class to Mini Defender. People are very happy seeing the shape, size, and stance of this vehicle, and they're mechanically inclined to believe it's going to have rear independent suspension. But the door handle is going to be flush. That's what many people are upset about. Bolero used to have a traditional styling. It's meant for rugged markets or for the rural markets in India. So many people are saying they should not use such kind of door handles and use the traditional door handles. But let's see how it's going to look when it comes out.